Okay, so I changed the motherboard. It was a little tricky because they actually glued, they had some glued inside almost on every parts. As you can see over here, where's that? There you go. As you can see over, they had, some glue inside. And what I need, where's that? There you go. You see? So almost everywhere they have glued almost everything, almost everywhere. Have glued almost everything. So what I had to do is that I use a heat gun. I use a heat gun. You don't have to, but just for I use a heat gun, this type of heat gun, and I put just a cap on the front of it, and so the heat that comes out is actually shrank down if you want. And I counted. I turn it on one. Okay, I put it on one, and I counted to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once you get 5, it is enough and softened, and you can just pull out different cables that were actually in. I struggled a little bit, but I finally got out of them out, and then that's pretty much it. And I replaced the motherboard. That's the new one. I need to set up everything, and I'm gonna let you know.